Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create a static background for Doodly using Pyks.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Did you know you could add a custom background to your Doodly videos? What you see right here, this little white background with this little guy peeking through, is not just an image that I uploaded and put in the scene. Rather, it is a custom background. So if I add a new scene right here, it's always going to have this image. And if I preview the video, I want you to notice it stays static. So the text swipes away, but the background itself remains in place. Of course, you can use any image that you'd like as your background, but today I thought it would be fun to create our own in Pyks, which is part of the Voomly Cloud family. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So here I am in Pyks, and this is the graphic that I created. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's just go ahead and start all over from scratch. So I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to go to Custom Image, and I'm going to type in 1920 by 1080. Click Create, and I'm going to discard my original so that I'm starting completely blank, okay? The 1920 by 1080 is the standard horizontal format. These black and white checks are transparency, so right now this is invisible. There's nothing here. It's completely transparent. If we're going to go for the same effect that I just did, I'm going to want some white in here for the whiteboard. So I'm going to go to Shape. I'm going to actually set up the fill color and the stroke color. For fill color, I want pure white, and apply. And then for the stroke color, black is totally fine. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw in my shape. I'm going to make it larger than I need it to be so that I can move it around, okay? So I'm going to want it something like this. So here where I have this transparency, in my Doodly video here, I had a gray background. So I'm going to go ahead and click on an empty layer, and I'm still on my shape tool, and I'm going to draw another rectangle. And this time I'm going to change its color to gray, and I'm going to turn off its borders because I don't need those. Hit apply. And then I'm going to send it behind my existing whiteboard, okay? So now we have this. We're just missing this little guy. So now we need that image. So click Image Library, and Pyks is integrated with Pixabay. So you can do a little search for whatever it is you want. And in this case, I typed in whiteboard, and I got all kinds of whiteboard images, and I just kind of scrolled through until I found what I thought I could work with. And then I saw this little guy here, and I thought he was cute and that I would use him. There's another one here. Let's use him for fun. And he's a little bit large, so I'm going to shrink him down, and I'm going to position him. And since he has this little black bar, he's going to just fit in here just fine. And in fact, I had started with the image, this guy, and since he had the black bar, that's why I decided I needed a black bar for my white frame. So that's what I'm doing. Now you'll notice in this case, the little black bar under my guy is just a little too skinny. So I'm going to click my white frame. I'm going to go back to my shape tool, and right here under width, I can make this skinnier, okay? So let's try that. Or instead of adjusting him up, let's take my white rectangle and adjust it down because he's a little too tall there. And that looks good. So let's go ahead and export this. Let's give it a name. We're going to call it Whiteboard with Orange Character. Okay, we're done in Pyks. So let's go back to Doodly, and I want to change this. So I'm going to go into Settings, and Under background style, by default, it's usually this, right? This whiteboard. Well, if you click custom here, which is the gear icon, you can go over here to custom color and custom image. And this is what I want, custom image, browse file, and go to my desktop, here it is. And then I have my new image here. And all I have to do is make sure it fills my screen and click done. Click apply. Boom. And there I have my custom background. Let's take a quick look and we'll be done. And there you have it. That's how you can create your own image in Pyks and bring it into Doodly as a custom background. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.